This brand new Audi RS3 isn't going anywhere. It's locked in park and protected with a Halo Mini. So the vehicle starts like normal. We've got the key. As you see, it's not going out of park. We've got our foot on the brake and it's just going nowhere. So we have a simple code. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive that flash from the full beam and we can select our gear and drive away instantly. When we turn the car off, the system activates straight away. And now if someone grabbed the key, went to steal it, the vehicle's just going nowhere. Even if they grabbed your key as soon as you got home, they're not going to be able to drive it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 for the video, a nice quick flash, select our gear, and we can drive away. On this, the customer can choose their own code from any supported buttons on the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a brand new Audi RS3 2025, protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser.